Hello everyone, I'll be talking on the uses of computer application in manufacturing. We'll be looking at the introduction, examples of computer application used in manufacturing, the CAD software, manufacturing execution systems, the MES, product lifestyle management software, the PLM, implementation of computer application in manufacturing, uses and conclusion. In manufacturing, computer application refers to software programs or tools that are specifically designed to support various tasks and processes. Some examples of these applications used in manufacturing include enterprise resource planning (ERP), computer-aided design (CAD software), manufacturing execution system (MES), product lifecycle management (PLM). Computer-aided design, the CAD software. This software provides a range of features for designing and modeling products, creating detailed drawings, and stimulating real-world scenarios. Example, AutoCAD. The manufacturing execution system, MES. These are software applications used to track and control production process. MES software provides visibility into the entire manufacturing process and helps streamline operations for better productivity. Product lifecycle management (PLM) software. PLM software helps with design collaboration, change management and product data management. Example, ARAS Innovator. Implementation of computer application in manufacturing. The implementation of computer applications in manufacturing industries like food, textile, steel and pharmaceutical manufacturing industries has simplified very complex processes and made a turning point in the method for decreasing their difficulties. Uses of computer application in manufacturing. Production planning. Computer application assists in creating production schedules, optimizing resource allocation, and managing workflows. Another use of computer application in manufacturing is stimulation and modeling. Computer applications are used to stimulate and model manufacturing processes, allowing computer to test different scenarios, optimize layouts, and improve production efficiency. Other uses of computer applications in manufacturing include data analysis, energy management, real-time monitoring, process automation, quality control, and predictive maintenance. In conclusion, computer applications has revolutionized the manufacturing industry and made automated complex processes possible. It has improved the efficiency of the process and quality, and reduced the cycle time of the manufacturing processes. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.